Hey Terry, I
think
have a
he's
really quick question about this.
Yeah.
So for the project, is the participants' email collected for in the survey somewhere?
yes.
So if that's the case, can't you just go and make another alert and notification saying, send this pre-cut email out to everybody who has completed the survey using the email they did? And once you create that alert, I think you just reevaluate the alert and then it will just go out, right?
That's what I was hoping. But I didn't know if there had to be like a trigger, like something that had to
That's a
happen.
good question, Jim, and that probably would work. So what he's just saying is you're creating a new alert and um, you know, you're setting it up for whatever that form is say survey is saved and then from and to where they're going. And then once you save it, then you want to uh, reevaluate the alerts. And I'm not sure. Does anyone know for sure that would cause it to trigger? It might.
It seems like it should, but I would be afraid that maybe some other alert would also be triggered and then you might get a whole bunch of extra stuff. Unless
Well,
you pick and choose which alerts there are.
yeah, I don't think so. Um, but you figure all the other alerts should have been already triggered. But you're right.
But you're reevaluating them.
Yeah. So you could try, but I'm guessing that Kelly's project is pretty simple. So am I correct?
It is simple.
Yeah. So I would try that first. And if that doesn't work,
Why don't you just hit the reevaluate button and see what happens? It's a test project.
oh, this isn't a test project. This is a closed location.
No, go into the test project and do it. Can we go into?
Yeah. Well, here, let's go into um, wait a minute. I got a new test. Hang on. 10455.
So if you have a bunch of alert that you don't want to reevaluate, is it possible to just copy the project over and then only create the new alert that you want and then reevaluate?
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a very good idea. Do you understand what he's saying, Kelly?
I do. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that way you're not triggering other alerts. So if I so we've got all right, so no alerts sent down there. Let's reevaluate the, oh, there, you get to choose which one. So,
Oh, nice.
yeah, learn something new every day.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, so that would make it easy.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that sweet? 5 alerts. Although nothing went out, but I don't even know what we have in here for data. Yeah, we only have 5 and Yeah, we don't have any, we probably don't even have any, yeah, we haven't even set up any emails. So that's why, but that's the way to do it.
Okay.
That's good. Good call, Jim.
Thank you. Thank you, Jim.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay, holy cow. What happened in the chat? Do I have to look at the chat? Is there anything in here that I need to answer? Or did everybody answer this? There's like Ryan's second question. Ryan, just unmute yourself. What is your second question?
I got an answer from Mary, and we can, this is something that's not a high priority for the vaccine study project, but I was asking about how to, if there was a way to have like a higher level of security for just one data field. Like, for example, if
Oh,
to hide the social security number from all staff except for just one person. And Mary suggested that there was an external module for that.
yes, there is. Another way we do that is we put that field on its own form. And then if you look at user rights and like you pick somebody up, over here, you would give them no access, that person no access to that form. So again, like Mary was talking about with a role, you could give them no access to that and they wouldn't even see it on their list of instruments.
I see. Okay.